Hello and welcome to our course on Exploratory Data Analysis with Excel. In this class, we are going to study data visualization with Scatterplot and correlation analysis. To do this study, we are going to use the cardiovascular disease dataset. This dataset is available in Kaggle, and if you want, the link is available for you here in the description of this video. Let's have a look at the variables that we have in this dataset. We have the patient ID, the age, the gender, the chest pain, the resting blood pressure, the serum cholesterol, fasting blood sugar, and a number of other variables. To do this analysis, we are going to use the variables resting blood pressure or resting BP and the cholesterol, right? So we are going to plot a scatter plot between these two variables, and then we are going to analyze and see if we can find any correlation between the variables using a linear regression model available here in Excel. So let's first select the two variables that we want to study, variables resting BP and serum cholesterol. And now let's insert a scatter plot. Right. Here we have the scatter plot that they gave us. Let's do a few things here. Order these variables. Let's do this. Let's order this variable from smallest to highest. So from 94 resting BP to 200. Okay. So, and we are going to use that information to adjust the x-axis range here, because this range is not good. So let's go to this axis and let's go to the range. So it's from 0 to 250. So let's put it from 90 to 210 is okay, a bit more than the minimum and maximal values of this variable. And here on the Y label, it's all right. Okay, so this is the scatter plot, and here is the one variable plot against another. So we have the blood pressure here and we have the cholesterol, right? Okay, now let's include here our linear regression, which is a trend line. Let's choose linear model. We can hardly see it here, so let's change a little bit some of its features. So let's choose a continuous line. Let's change the color so that it detaches from the picture. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay, so when we look at this linear regression at this trend line here, we can see it's slightly inclined, meaning that we have a slightly positive correlation between the blood pressure and the cholesterol level. And in this case, it means that the higher the blood pressure, the higher the cholesterol level. But this, again, this is a very small positive correlation between these two variables. Let me see, we can include here the equation. Let me remove this legend because we don't need it here. And let's have a look at this equation. Okay, so here we have the equation y equals to 0.5592x plus 226.59. And this is called the intercept, which is the point where this regression or this straight line cuts the y-axis. This is the inclination coefficient, or the angle that this line makes with the x-axis. So it's very simple to plot the scatter plot and to do the correlation analysis here in Excel. See you in our next class. Thank you for watching.